In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount on eBay listing. If you want to boost sales or move seasonal inventory, creating a discount through eBay's built-in tools is a simple and effective way to do it. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your seller account and that you have access to Seller Hub. It also helps to know in advance which listings you want to include and the type of discount you plan to offer so you can move through the setup quickly. Begin on the eBay homepage. Move your cursor to the top right area and hover over the My eBay menu. Don't click yet, just hover. This opens a handy drop-down that gives you quick access to your selling tools without hunting through multiple pages. From that drop-down, click Selling. This takes you into Seller Hub, where you manage your listings, orders, and, importantly for today, your promotions. If you don't see Seller Hub, you may need to opt in from eBay's help pages first, but most active sellers will already have it enabled. Once you're in Seller Hub, look along the top navigation bar and click Marketing. This is your central spot for promotions, coupons, and other tools that help you drive traffic and conversions. If you manage a lot of items, consider bookmarking this page for faster access next time. Inside the marketing area, select Discounts. This is where eBay organizes discount-related features. You'll see past or active promotions here if you've run any before, which can be useful for consistency and for learning what worked well. On the Discounts page, click Create Promotion. This button opens the Promotion Builder. Think of it as your launchpad for different promotion types, all in one place. If you've planned your pricing or margins ahead of time, you'll be ready to move through the setup confidently. From the list of promotion types, choose Coupon. Coupons are flexible and familiar to buyers, and they can be shared publicly or offered privately to targeted customers depending on your strategy. Selecting Coupon will take you to the setup screen where you'll define the discount details, timing, and which listings it should apply to. That's all you need to reach the coupon setup. A couple of quick tips before you proceed from there. Have a clear goal for your promotion, whether it's attracting new buyers, rewarding repeat customers, or clearing stock. And make sure your discount still protects your margins after fees and shipping. Keep your coupon naming simple and professional so it's easy to recognize in your reports later. You've now navigated from your eBay homepage to the exact spot where you can build a discount coupon for your listings. Follow these steps anytime you want to roll out a new offer and keep your store competitive.